Hello and welcome guys to this interesting session of .NET Core Web API. In this session, we are going to see how we can implement file upload and download functionality in our .NET Core Web API 7.0. I have already created videos to do same thing in .NET Core 6.0 and .NET Core 3.1. If you are interested in this session, I will give the link on the video description. Please check it out. So today we are going to see how we can do the same functionality of file upload and download using ASP.NET Core 7.0. Before starting the session guys, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for future notification. And if you ended up liking my video, give me a like and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So today's session I am using Visual Studio 2022. I am creating a new project. So .NET Core Web API, creating next. I'm giving, let's say, file demo 7.0, right? Click on next. I will keep .NET 7.0 standard term support. For now, I am not keeping HTTP app using controller and open API support or Swagger. Let's click on create. Guys, after completing this session, I am going to keep this application source code in my Google Drive and give this Google Drive link on video description. So you can also download and check it out. Okay, our application created. Doing anything, let's hit the run button and see how the application is running. All thing is ready, then we will start our programming. So it will take few seconds for the first time or few minutes more to run. You can see it is running, building the application. Building complete. Guys, and you can see last 20 or 25 days I didn't upload any videos. I was busy and the weather was not cool, not good for creating the videos for the surrounding noise. For that, I'm really sorry, and don't unsubscribe. Please stay tuned to my application and my YouTube channel, right? And so you can see our application get run. It is our default weather forecast service. If we execute, we are getting our default data. Now, for me, I will upload a file which will store in the server in the application, and on the request I can download that file. So how I can do this? So for now, I'm creating a folder where I'm going to store that particular file, uploaded file. So name is h upload, and now inside this I'm keeping a one more folder for this h is files. Okay, now inside the controller I'm creating my own controller. I'm not using the existing. I'm creating adding a API controller. Click on add. I'm giving the add the controller name as file demo. I no need of this route, my own route in the API level. Now, thing is that here I will write my logic. Now I will create a method, asynchronous method, which will write file from file, and it will text the extension from the file. Okay, and it will take the file path, which is directory.current directory, upload.files, which just now we created, upload slash files. If directory exists, then it is okay, or else it will create. So we just created, so don't worry about this. We can remove this code also, let it be. Next, this is the exact path, okay, where it will store. Then using the file stream, I am storing the file into that path. Now I'm returning the file name. So how I'm returning the file name? Dot file name, the a unique file name I'm creating with this. Okay, let's see. Now our method is created. Now we will write a API to call this method and upload our file. So I have added a API here, a post API. API name is upload file via result. I am calling that await write file. Inside it, I catch anything, any exception will come, it will throw my a exception, right? Now let's run the application and let's try to upload file. So we got our one more API upload file, try it out. So we can see choose file. So we can see this PDF I'm uploading. Open. Now execute the API. So you can see we are getting a unique file name. Now go to the application, go to the solution. You can see files. There is that file name is there. So in this way, let's try one more upload a image. I'm uploading a PNG. Execute. So it is coming as this one. So come down. Yeah, it is uploading. Now my task is to download this file by creating one more API. Stop the application from running. Here we will add our one more API to download the file, which will be a get API. So I have added a get API, which is download file. It will accept the file name, which will be my this file name, and it will take the file path, which will be upload slash file, and the file name this path actually upload file and the file name. Okay, and the I have returning the file as path dot get file name into file path. Okay, now run the application and see download file is working or not. So let's download file, try it out. It's asking for file name. So we have a file name here. Okay, first let's upload one more file and we can see that one. Upload a file, try it out. So let's upload something, this document, MS Word document, AI integration, execute. So we got our document name. So you can see dox we added here. Now in the same thing, there is a download file. Just give the download file name, click on execute. So you can see response body is coming download file. Click on download file. This is our. So just click on open. So this is some AI integration document which we uploaded. We want to download the existing record. So just open our open folder. Okay, this is my PNG file. This one I can go to this one dot png, click on execute. Now download file. So you can see if you open this one, it is coming this PNG. So in this way we can upload and download files in our ASP.NET Core 7.0 web API. Guys, I hope you like this session. If you do, give me a like and share this video with your friends and your suggestion in the comment box. Thank you very much.